Welcome to all decoration lovers! In this video we will make a virtual interior design in this bedroom located in Greece. To do the interior design of this bedroom, as it is located in Greece, it was absolutely essential to keep the mosquito net not only as a decorative part, but as a functional element. In this project, the client is already a friend of mine, so she has given me full freedom to do whatever I wanted in this space. Despite that, I tried to keep a logical budget, just in case she wanted to copy some of these ideas and make them reality. The first step, as usually, is to get inspired by nice images from Pinterest, and this is where we create our virtual mood board. Normally, I share this mood board with the clients, so they can also suggest some ideas. I really like the nightstand that she already has, so I would like to visualize how 3 different canopy beds may look. So I have tried one in white, another in black and another in light wood tones, and I think that the one that combines the best with this bedside table is in wood tones, since it gives a nice contrast. I also think it looks light, although it's a quite large piece. We add some cushions, also creating a little bit of contrast between them. And with the wall lamps, I wanted to experiment with different colors to see how it will look like in white, as it is right now, in black and in gold. In my opinion, the one in gold it's the one that gives a little bit of touch of sophistication, let's say. To choose the rugs, the first one I chose was with natural fibers, but it blurs too much with the tone of the floor. Then I tried this one with white tones, but it seems too light to me, so I opt for this third with classic texture, but it actually looks very contemporary in this room. To decorate the headboard wall, first I try a series of frame photographies, then 2 frames with botanical prints, and the one that I like the most is this landscape, painted horizontally. It's in neutral colors and the landscape is relaxed, so it's ideal for a bedroom. For the ceiling lamp, I try a chandelier, but it looks too formal, so I replace it with a fan with wooden blades, and I think it looks great and practical at the same time, especially for this kind of hot countries. To create a relaxed and very cozy atmosphere, I also decorate with 2 small decorative pillows, one in a soft cream color and the other in white to add some contrast. And at the foot of the bed, I also put a blanket with similar tones as the bed set. One of the Pinterest images that I love in the mood board was this pot with an olive tree, and on this occasion I would like to just copy this idea to introduce in this bedroom to see how it will look, and I think it looks gorgeous, so it will stay. In the wall which is in front of the bed, I am going to keep the dressing table, which I think is very beautiful. And I will try different mirrors because I think the mirror that it's right now is too small and it's also hung too low. So I will try different mirrors, and I really love how the arch mirror looks in the space. It also helps to multiply the natural light that enters through the window. I also have tried another models of chairs for the dressing table, a little bit more aligned with the new decoration of the room. For the wall in front of the bed, since it's a completely wide and empty space, I have put this big and very simple picture to fill that space but without overloading it. A new decorative base, a bamboo blind, and last but not least, the mosquito net that gives a very romantic touch in this room. So this is how we did this virtual interior design of this space. I think it turned out a very pleasant place with a lot of small details but without overloading the whole decoration. My clients also love this decoration, she will copy some of these ideas, which is great. And this is actually the way we work with any space, always listening first the needs of our clients and providing them with solutions that best suit for their style, needs and budget. If you are also passionate about the interior design and you are new on this channel and you also like this kind of videos, please consider to subscribe to see more similar content. Let us know in the comments what do you think about this video, the decoration, the style, the colors. And if you would like to do an interior design project with us, just drop us an email with some pictures, a quick video, and a brief description of what would you like to visualize in your place, and in few weeks your project will appear in one of our videos. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next time. Bye bye!